Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to import products from Alibaba to Shopify. First of all, open Shopify. Go into its apps, then click on Add Apps. Then click on Shopify App Store. Here search Alibaba. Click to open its dropshipping Alibaba official app. Check out its developer, then click on Add App. Choose your account to continue with My Store. Then tap to Install App. So now Alibaba.com is open. Enter your email and password to sign in. Or you can click to create an account. Click to create your account. Fill up the form to create your account. Choose the country, select your trade role. Enter email, password, and company name, and all the required information. Then click on Agree and Register. Once you successfully signed into Alibaba, then click on My Store from the dashboard. Choose a product you want to import into your store. Hit Continue, then click to link it. Then you're ready to import the product into Shopify. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.